Hello everyone, welcome to Grade Up. I'm Saral Naishir and I'm bringing this short concept video series for all of you guys now. So इस सीरीज में बेसिकली हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, एवरी टाइम आई वुड बी पोस्टिंग अ क्वेश्चन जिसमें जनरली स्टूडेंट्स मिस्टेक करते हैं एंड थ्रू दैट कॉन्सेप्ट आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट व्हाट इज द राइट वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग दैट क्वेश्चन. तो जो कॉमन मिस्टेक स्टूडेंट करते हैं बेसिकली वो ना हो, उसके बारे में हम लोग इसमें बात करेंगे. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So here is the question on your screen which says in a class there are 150 students. 40% of them are boys and rest are girls, and the question says 30 more boys come in. So what is the percentage of boys in the class? So what is the normal way of solving this question? So the first thing that comes to our mind is that okay, let's calculate first of all what is 40% of 150, that is 60. So that means there are 60 boys in the class. Now there are 60 boys already there. 30 more boys came in. That means the total number of boys now have become 90. So there are 90 boys now in the class. There are 150 students. So the percentage of boys is 90 out of 150, which becomes 60%. So 60% should be the right answer. मतलब normally हमारा पहला तरीका ये है क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का. But I'm just asking you one question now. Just think of one thing. What if this 30 more boys was let's say 90 more boys? ठीक है, I'm just taking another question. अगर ये boys 90 होते तो, so if there are 90 more boys who come in, so I would again say there are 60 boys already, 90 more came in. That means now the total number of boys would become 150, right? And 150 now boys are there, 150 total students are there, so the percentage of boys in the class is 100%, right? That means 100% of the students are boys. So where did the girls go? They did not go anywhere. इसका मतलब 100% का मतलब तो ये है कि कोई गर्ल्स है ही नहीं वहां. That means this 100% is the wrong answer. कहां गलती कर रहे हैं हम लोग? That is what the point that I want to make. We are making the mistake when we assume that this 150 is the total number of students even after 30 more boys who came in. The only point is that if 30 more boys would come in, the number of students would become 180. और ये नंबर ऑफ बॉयज जो 90 हैं, ये 180 का 50% है, 60% नहीं, राइट? एंड द राइट वे ऑफ अप्रोचिंग दीज क्वेश्चंस, देयर हियर आई हैव टेकन अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल, बट द राइट वे ऑफ अप्रोचिंग दीज क्वेश्चंस, इवन इफ द क्वेश्चन इज स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट, द राइट वे इज दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट द आर्टिकल व्हिच इज नॉट चेंजिंग. So here basically we should talk about the number of girls which are not changing, they are the constant. So I should look at it this way, that if I look at the total number of students, वो 150 से 180 हो गए, whereas the girls जो 150 का 60% थी, that is 90, they are still 90. So 90 girls are there, 180 students are there, so the girls are 50% of the total. Automatically boys would be 50% of the total, right? So this is one of the concepts. And to learn more such concepts, come to Grade Up. Here we keep talking about such concepts and the common mistakes, because सही prep है तो ही life set है.